Slick Up Center's been in business for 30 years now. Started off as basically just a detail shop and worked into accessories slowly and started building from the ground up and to where we are today, where we're a full accessory shop offering extensive line of truck and Jeep accessories. My name is Jeremy Zook and I'm the general manager here at Slick Up Center. Our specialty here at Slick Up Center is truck accessories, ranging from anything bolt-on parts, bumpers, step bars, wheels, tires, lifts. We can do pretty much anything that anyone wants done. Here at Slick Up Center, we're a little different than some other shops. The employees that work here generally are working in the showroom and also in the shop. So when you come in and talk to someone about your parts, that person may very well be also doing the installation on your truck. So you're getting a good knowledge up front and you're working with the same person all the way through your build. So you get a little extra touch on that. We have many customers that have been customers of ours for the 30 years we've been in business. A lot of them are on number 5 and 6 of their trucks, some even more. So we continually see them every few years come back with their new truck and they're excited to start over and do their next build, and we're happy to be a part of that. Some of our favorites have been the Jeep builds that we've done for ARIES. We've done a couple of them over the years now. Jeeps are very customizable, so there's a lot of products available on those, so we can go a lot farther than we can with some of the other builds, so they make it a little more exciting. We use a lot of CURT and ARIES products here, and we have for a lot of years. Great installations, great customer service, and the style of the parts. They build parts that are new and innovative and have a different take on them than a lot of other companies do. So we get a part that's a little more custom and a little more what the customer is looking for. We spend a lot of time working on current trends and upcoming trends to try to stay ahead of the curve as far as what's up and coming and what's new or what's going to be new, so that when you get your new truck, we're here to give you the newest parts and the most up-to-date accessories that we can.